is do one of the superhero ones, because I don't have any Harry Potter ones here. And you can see how these ones go together. So this is Undo My Black Mantra. I'm not up on all my DC or Marvel 2,000 year plus superheroes. I know Batman and Superman and Wonder Woman from when I was a kid. But these ones, no idea who they are. Alright, so these ones we have 2 head pieces and a top piece, and then 2 body pieces, and make sure you work out which way they go round, and a bottom piece and 2 connector pieces. So we put these together separately, and sometimes this one's pretty easy, but sometimes this curve and this curve will need to actually match. That goes up that way. Because like in some of the Harry Potter ones, the features are distinct, and if you put them the wrong way they will stick out. These ones are designed to stick out to be background, but the Harry Potter ones, I'm just looking to see if there's any, you know, like they've got part in their hair and things like that, and if you don't put them the wrong way, this guy might, yeah, see, Robin's got like a part in his hair here, and if this part's not in the right way and it's not symmetrical, you'll get stick up on this side and down on this side, when it's supposed to be over the other way, stick up on this side because the hair's higher, and stick down on that side where it's lower, for example. So this one's pretty symmetrical, so it doesn't matter, but those center pieces, which is this piece, do often have detail that matches the outside detail of the part you're putting together. I do believe if the colour's to the front, you should be right. So what we're going to do is put one of these little connector pieces into the middle piece, and because they're paper and they're multiple sheets of paper, so they make cardboard, these can peel, I guess, if you put them. I tried to tell you do this pushing it down on a table. Put all 3 bits together and push it together from both sides. I find gives me the best, and then that's quite secure, not going to come off easily. Now this is like a jigsaw puzzle thing where there's a outie and an innie, and they click together, so that holds. So you need to make sure when you put this one in between these two, you've got the jigsaw puzzle piece facing up. So put the little connector, oh my goodness, connector piece in the center hole, push it through a bit, put the front on, don't push the little connector piece out, front on, and I'm just holding it in place, I'm not pushing it. Put the back on, and then put it down on your table and press. And I turn them over and press from both directions to make sure it works. So now that bit's holding together and won't fall apart. And click together, you now have a bobblehead. Yay.